All right, welcome back to the channel, guys. Thank you so much for stopping in. I really do appreciate it. This is, of course, Unbox and Chill, and we're here with an unboxing. I do want to address something at the top of the video, though. I had some audio issues in my last video. I think maybe the last 2 or 3 have had some audio issues. I want to give a quick thank you to whoever pointed that out, and then also the channel. Someone from another channel kind of jumped in to help me out here. Last of My Kind 8. Thank you so much. He does awesome watch content. Check him out. He's on here on YouTube as well. Last of My Kind 8. He does unboxings and he does lots of good watch content as well. So check him out as well. Thank you so much for helping me out. I did kind of play around with the settings, so I do hope that this is going to be a little bit better in terms of the audio. If not, it'll be a working process, and I'll just continue to make adjustments here. I do record with my iPhone, so you know, that may or may not be an issue. I may need to just go ahead and just bite the bullet and pick up a camera here. So thank you so much for your help, guys. I want to see at the top of the video, hit that subscribe button. We're growing nicely. I think we reached about 383 subscribers or so. We're almost to 500. I can't wait to send somebody else something cool. I want to send you an automatic watch, and then I also want to send you a watch winder. I want to send you both. So I want to send you a winder, and I want to send you a nice automatic watch. So like I said, hit that subscribe button. One of my subscribers will win that. At 500 subscribers, we're going to do a giveaway, and then at 1,000 subscribers, we're going to do a little bit larger giveaway. But we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Okay. All right. Let me get my desk ready. Let's get everything moved out of the way here. And I want to pose a question, as I like to sometimes at the top of the video. This is kind of an interesting watch. So this is from watchgang.com. It's from their watch wheel. And I'm curious as to this style of watch. Is this a watch that you would wear? Okay. Let's get into it, though, okay? So now we're bringing the box, and we've got the double E. This is a Earnshaw, a Thomas Earnshaw. So I've seen these watches out in the wild. They look pretty well made for what they cost. You know, for what you can pick one up for, I believe that they are of a fair value. Let's take a look, okay? So you got the nice chocolate brown box, similar to the last one that I had. I think it was Lucien Picard. That was the brand. They have a nice chocolate brown box as well. But looks like we've got some gold accents here, and for the price point, it's not too bad in terms of the price point here. I have seen some nicer Thomas Earnshaw watches, you know, some of the ones that I think Watch King sends out with their platinum level, and they do come at much nicer boxes. So this particular one, like I said, for the price point, this is okay. This is good. You know, I think you can get into this for just over $100 or so. I think it's 120 or 130 bucks. So let's take a look at it. So we'll slip out just the information first, and then let's see here. So we've got Earnshaw. You've got the year that they were established, and let's see what we get in here. So we've got a folder inside of an envelope. Okay. And we've got a, let's see, so this is going to be your warranty information, of course, your instruction manual, all of that standard fare. We'll move that to the side here. And in terms of the actual watch, okay, here's what we got. As we go ahead and rip that Band-Aid off, we've got a we've got a Thomas Earnshaw, and I believe this is the Beaumont. It was kind of, you know, it's one of those things where they kind of purge it from their website. But as you look at this watch, this is a skeleton or skeletonized watch, okay? So you can see the movement, you know, in terms of, you know, through the dial here, you know, the dial is clear so that you can see the movement. Some people love watches like this. Some people dislike them. You know me, I always think there's room for one of everything in your box, you know, try to be diverse here. But I will say that it does require some work. Sometimes when I'm reading the time, as we take off the sticker, this is automatic here. Sometimes when you're reading the time, it does take just that extra second for your eyes to kind of find where the hands are, because as you see the hands there, they're blue. You can see the second hand moving there. Okay, sometimes it takes a little bit of an extra second to just kind of find where the hands are with your eyes, just because it's so busy of a dial. You know, you're not going to get that quick glance. It takes just that extra second or two. So as you can see, this does have, like I said, blue hands. It's skeletonized. You've got the rose gold case. You do have Roman numerals in terms of the numbers on this. Like I said, not a bad looking overall piece. I don't think it's overdone, but I think a lot of skeletonized watches usually are overdone, and I think that's where people get a bad taste in their mouth about them. But this isn't an overall bad piece at all. I think the thing about this that I don't like, honestly, if I had to pick something, is going to be the leather band. It's not that great. It is cool to see that they did incorporate the Earnshaw E into the buckle. It would be nice to I would just get like a nice, maybe like a blue suede, nice blue suede band, and it would be nice to put that Earnshaw E at the end of the blue suede band. That would be nice. Have that match, the case, and have a nice, like, maybe to match this blue in terms of the hands, have a nice blue suede band on this. I think it would look very cool. But in terms of this is just your typical cheap, genuine leather, crocodile printed, stamped kind of a deal. But like I said, in this price point, we understand that, you can't have everything, right? But overall, like I said, I think it's a very tastefully done piece. I just want to know what you think in terms of, are you one of these people who shuns a skeletonized watch? Some people really do. Some people can't do it. Me personally, I think, as I always say, there's always room for one. And I wore the watch, as I get into the quick wristwatch check, I wore this watch on purpose because this is another element here in terms of the open heart. This is the Aquasi Cave Diver. I have unboxed this watch on the channel. I've added a shark mesh to it, so it does have a nice shark mesh on it. But this particular watch is one where some people, they want a very simple, plain dial. They don't want to see an open heart like this watch has. So you see you have that open heart there. You can see the movement. And then this one just has where, again, a good chunk of the dial is opened up so you can, it's so that it's skeletonized. Some people don't like this. It's got to be very plain, just a very basic plain dial with some people, and that's fine. It's fun. But to me, it could be a little funky here. You can mix it up. So I have the Aquasi Cave Diver. I have an open heart watch. I have another open heart watch. I have an Orient Bambino with an open heart. And this is my only skeletonized watch. So, like I said, I think there's room for one. And actually, I think there may be another one on the channel that I may get here real soon that I actually like more than this one. It's a skeletonized watch by a smaller micro brand that I think looks very cool. And I think it will put skeletonized watches on the map. So look for that soon. It'll come out and I'll do that. I'm going to try this watch on before we get out of here, and we'll take a look at the specs like we usually do. But like I said, in the comment section below, do me that favor. Let me know. Do you own any skeletonized watches? Are you that guy? And are you the kind of guy, or are you the kind of guy who shuns a skeletonized watch? You don't like that. You're not for that. You would never be that guy. Listen, to each their own, of course, but I don't see any problem with any diversity. So I went ahead and put on the watch. Okay, thanks for bearing with me here. As you can see, there it is. You've got the E, the Earnshaw E on the back. I think that still looks very cool. Just don't care for the band. And here is the watch here. As you can see, there it is. And like I said, just keep in mind, it's that extra little step that you're going to take in order to see the time here. You're going to look down and it's, gotta find the hands. That's my only real issue with these watches. But outside of that, like I said, it's not a terrible looking piece at all. I think it's tastefully done. I think you could easily wear this with a nice casual or dressy situation. I think you could do both. Let's jump into the website here. So here it is here. This is the Beaufort. That's what this is called, the Beaufort. So here we are. We'll take a look at the glamour shots here. So there are the glamour shots. Okay, and we'll get the specs here. This is even a British website. It was just really hard to find this on the Earnshaw website. I couldn't find it at all. So let's go to the specifications. There we are. Very simple. You can see the band size. You can see the all the different specifications in terms of the movement, the crystal, all those sort of things. So we'll do a quick flash of that just in case there's something you wanted to see specifically here. But let's close that up. And like I said, not a bad overall piece, guys. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'd like your honest, unvarnished opinion about this particular piece. Are you a skeleton guy? Are you an anti-skeleton guy? Let me know. Thank you so much for stopping in, guys. This has been Unbox and Chill. Thanks.